We're here at Action Trailers with our Legacy all-aluminum inline hybrid series. This is our #1 selling trailer in the industry. It's lightweight, easy to pull, and it's great for versatile use, whether it's for snowmobiles, ATVs, motorcycles, side-by-sides, light duty, obviously construction. Guys love these trailers because they're heavy built and they come with more features than any other trailer in the industry standard in this series. So we're gonna go over some of these features today with you guys and just really show you what makes them different. They come anywhere from a 16-foot single axle to tandem axles from anywhere from 16, 18, 22 feet long. Multiple different colors you can choose from, over 15 to customize it to whatever you want. And you can option these out, but they come standard with more features, and that's what we're gonna show you. You don't really need to add extras. So starting off the very front of the trailer, you're gonna notice that's a triple tube tongue, nice strong, stout frame. We use upgraded Demco coupler, one of the best couplers in the industry. 7-way plug holder, so that way it's not dangling in the ground, it's not getting frozen. Chung jack on the front, it's gonna be with a wheel, swivel wheel, so you can make it swivel it around, makes it easy for hooking and unhooking. Stone guards, most trailers in the industry have 16, maybe 24. This is a 3 feet high, so you get extra added protection. And notice with the nose, it's a nice contour, obviously, in the nose to really help it be a little bit more aerodynamic. And that's the whole point of this trailer, is it's easy to pull, and it's great if you're using this, obviously, in our Canadian winters or anything like that, because it's a trailer that rides down the road nice smooth. Bigger wheels, the torsion suspension onto it. That's right, torsion suspension. So it's independent torsion axle, standard on this trailer with a 10-year warranty on the axle alone. We give you brakes, even on single axle trailers, we add electric brakes standard, so you're not paying extra for those electric brakes. So that is something that's a big feature to have, and that's something to compare to. Extra lights, you notice on the front cap, there's 4 lights in the front cap, LED lights all on the sides, and we use our thicker 4-inch LED light with a lifetime warranty. So that gives you that really good peace of mind knowing that that light ever burns out, we're here to back it up there. All of our trailers are gonna be the screwless on the outside of it, so it gives you a clean, nice aesthetic look, something you appreciate. Thicker 4-inch trim, that's all on our Legacy Series trailer, so you got that 4-inch thicker trim so it doesn't buckle. Side door with a flush lock to get in and out. Anything with a front ramp, front door onto it is not something we advise just because they do tend to have a tendency of leaking. Side doors, we don't have that problem with. Steps on this trailers, so steps are all other single axle trailers to give you that reinforcement and support of the fender. Also allows you to be able to get up onto the roof if need be there, if you have to shovel anything off. Aluminum wheels, not an extra cost. Those are standard in our trailers too. So we have our exclusive aluminum wheel series that gives you, again, nice aesthetic look to the trailer, as I mentioned. And like I said, the torsion axle riding, no springs, no shackles, bushings to replace. On the outside of the trailer, you can get multiple different colors, as mentioned. Salem wall vents are standard too, which is also cool. So that gives you that crossflow ventilation to be able to get more air circulation, and it's not something that you pay extra for down the road. So we got the Salem wall vents, stabilizer jacks, no extra cost either, that's built into it. This model is shown with the optional blackout trim package, so that's something that is popular, that people do choose, or two-tone like the one beside me here, but really other than that, all this is standard. The rear spoiler in the back. Really cool looking spoiler, gives you a nice look to the trailer, houses a couple loading lights on each side so you can see at night, even houses our rear observation camera prep, which is great, so that we can see behind you. So it's all prepped and wired, and we have our exclusive Action Series cameras you can add on, which is definitely a must on any of these trailers. Even helps with the water preventing coming down and freezing the door seals, because that way you have the water obviously is gonna overhang there, and it's gonna come down and not go on the actual seals and freeze them up down in the winter time. So big option that they really think about having with this rear spoiler. Inside the trailer, it's gonna be all finished off. Other trailers in the industry, you're gonna see just with open ribs. We finish ours off with aluminum, and you got the kick plate as well. Construction 16-inch on center, so 16-inch on center roof, 16-inch on center walls. Notice how the caliber glides mats are already installed. This is great for sleds or even ATVs. Being a 16-foot long, this would be 2 sleds that sit staggered. We have our 18-foot model for 3 or 22-foot model for 4. A couple ATVs can fit in here. The great thing is these glides and mats are already built into the price. So you're not paying extra for that. So you're getting it all built in this price. And these glides are important to be able to have so it doesn't wreck the decking, obviously, your trailer if you have snowmobiles or even some of the recreational toys. 3/4 inch exterior grade plywood on the floor, standard. Get a couple lights inside, always you get an interior light. And then obviously with these ones too, it's all one-piece roof, so there's no seams or worry about leakage down the road. Flaps on all the doors as well. 3-year structural warranty, 10 years on the axle, lifetime on the lights. So great warranty with the trailer. We've been around for over 2 decades, and that's a big thing too. When you're buying from Action Trailers, you're not only getting the obviously best price point because of the volume we do, but you're getting the service aspect. We have our service department, we have our parts department, warranty department. So that's something to keep in mind. And that's, again, one of the things when you're buying a trailer, there's lots of places to choose from, but we really want to emphasize not only the differences with the trailer of having the higher stone guard onto it, the screwless sides, aluminum wheels, torsion axle, electric brakes, finished off interior walls, stab jacks, Salem wall vent standard. These trailers even have the 2-inch coupler, Demco coupler upgrade onto it. All these are just built into the price there. So you can find more information on www.actiontrailers.ca for the most efficient buying experience online.